How to get popular on Twitch. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll give you some of the tips on how you can get popular on Twitch, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to get popular in Twitch, there are a couple of steps that you need to follow. First of all, open your browser and go to twitch.tv. I'll also make sure to drop a link, and then just make sure that you are signed into your Twitch account. Once you're signed into the Twitch account, the number one step to grow on Twitch is to simply create entertaining content. So basically, Twitch has conducted a study of poll for which Twitch viewers and asked them for the top driving factor in what they look for in a stream, and most of the people actually replied with entertainment. So you need to make sure to create entertaining content. The second is to simply use quality equipment, and you can also try to promote your stream on socials. If you have Facebook, YouTube, Discord, or any of the other platforms linked, you can just try to promote them. You can also host some giveaways and give some free gifts so that your viewers might be interested in you, and you can also go ahead and keep talking throughout your stream so that you can keep the stream enjoying and engaging. Hope this video helped you as to how you can get popular on Twitch. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.